We are rolling. We are rolling. We are rolling. Now, I left. I'm sorry about the grainy on this camera, but it's an old camera. So, the main thing is show you what I'm gonna try to do, and then speed it up if I have to. So, just so y'all can see who I am. I don't know how to zoom. I don't see if I should zoom. I should zoom out. Let me see. Oh yeah, let me see how you do that right here. Oh. Nope, let's zoom in. Let's zoom out. Can't go out no further. Oh well. Y'all don't need to see it anyway. So I'm just recording because my phone can't. Because my phone ain't got no space and Round the Body Shop girls here. Gonna help me
hey
out.
y'all, hello.
Meantime, I saw you putting somebody on so we can have somebody to talk about.
Yeah.
This guy here.
And when I asked Merlin said, yeah, especially in the summer. But I wouldn't let it stop me from going over there for a couple of days or something. Because it's really nice. He said, give me a green card and a visa. What's up, Cisco? He said, what's up, Cal? Sunshine Show's crew.
I don't want to hear him. I want to hear you. I want to hear your gambling station.
You want to hear my gambling station? Somebody else's.
Yeah.
I just uploaded a video. I uploaded 2 videos a while ago.
Yeah, you can watch it. Okay, put one right here. I see. Let's see this one. Uh-oh. She got a gambling station, boy. Check her out. This brown slot farm. Link in the description below. You can't see that, can you? Watch her win the $12,000. That's mad.
Come on, give me some balls.
She said she wants some balls, y'all. God.
It's a ball. Smack me with the ball. Oh boy.
Somebody has a bad back.
You need some help with that?
Huh?
Just checking to see if you needed some help with that.
Oh, no, I'm good. I told him, I said, I got a bad back, guy. I'm not going to let this car kill me.
Yes.
Hit me in a bad way.
That's good.
Excuse me.
Come on, balls. Smash down.
Oh, she's smashing balls.
Smack.
I'm doing breaks is what I'm doing, but
One more time. Same. Yes.
I'm going to be doing my breaks hopefully Saturday.
Come on.
But I want to take time on Saturday to do them right instead of
Same.
messing around.
Same. Yeah, there you go. Come on.
What's that machine you're playing?
That's Autumn Moon.
Same. Come on. Same.
You know, your favorite machine.
Yes. Come on. Same.
Autumn Moon. I was one away from that grand
Come on.
though.
Same.
And one away. One ball away.
Same.
Ugh.
You hit it. You hit it, what you gonna get?
Get
What are you gonna buy?
some property.
Some what?
Some property somewhere. Save it until I get some property. That's what I'm doing.
That's some what?
Property
Property.
or home.
Property.
Down payment on something.
Properties.
I'll take it. Very good. Very good.
Hey, you turn the music off.
Take that.
Well, it's a short, so it
Okay,
don't
fine.
last too long.
I think I'm gonna have to turn this around. Guys, I take it easy, boy. I take it easy because I told y'all I got a bad back, so I'm not gonna do anything to make my shit work unless I'm fighting your ass.
So you're gonna put it onto there and then pump it up.
I'm gonna pump it down, take it to go. Then I'm gonna put some I think I should put it over that side. Then I'm gonna put some stands under it. The idea is to try.
I said, oh.
The idea is to try to get it as high as possible. I think I'm gonna put it.
Be careful moving it like that.
I'm sorry?
Please be careful. That's how you mess up your.
Am I growing?
Yes.
Man.
Alright now.
You fix them, won't you? Let's see now. You're a doctor.
Dr. Brown.
Let's see. I wonder what Pete's so bad. That joker, he does many so bad sometimes.
Yes, he does.
What time? What time the people in the audience, they threatened him for hurting her feelings. He didn't hurt her, he just hurt her feelings. I don't even see her with him anymore too much. I think since they lost their dog, I think she's kind of in a
Funk.
yeah.
Yeah.
We're talking about it.
I don't blame her.
All right, now. Now what? What should I do? I'm trying to. Oh, okay. I need to put that on here. The gloves at.
Yes. How much does that thing weigh?
How much did it say it weighed? 400? You know what? I don't know. It said, full of fluid. They could say 400. It can't be 400.
Excuse me. What
I'll
kind
give
of
it more like-
transmission is that again?
I'm sorry?
Is that a Saginaw?
Oh no, this is a, thank you, this is a 460 LE or 4L60E or one of them. 460 LE, I think that's what it's called, yeah. I think that's what it's called, 460.
How much does a 460 LE transmission?
How much is it?
I was asking how much it weighs. Between 133 and 146 pounds dry.
Yeah, that sounds better.
Yeah. 162 when it's got fluid full in there.
Damn. All right, now I'm ready to something else. Move this bad boy. Closer to the bench. All right. Now I'm close to the bench. I was thinking I should have had that thing turned around like that. So that I can put the jacks, one on this end and one on the other end. Whoops, the daisy. Let's see. What's the best way for me to do this?
It's gonna give me a heart.
We're gonna have to take these off. Ooh, I didn't see. just like this, and just like this, and see what happens. You want to help? Let's get the kids to help.
Yeah, what do you need me to do?
It's not that difficult. I'm just
What are
turning.
you
I'm just
trying?
turning. The bad part is just getting it on there. But I'm good. Want to see how I'm doing it? That's exactly what I want. Just like that. Link in the description below. Of course, you guys probably have this already. If you don't, and it come in handy. Any kind of jacket's gonna come in handy.
All right, it's coming off.
Oh, thank you.
You're gonna have to use your foot to push it.
I need to get me some of them boots. Them some nice boots that we saw at the Goodwill, boy. Steel toe boots.
Oh, yes.
All right, so now I need to turn it zoom like that. How much you say it weigh? 145 pounds?
33 to something like that. 133.
133 pounds.
Plus.
That's about right.
I think it's 126 to 134.
I wish this joke would go all the way up there. That would be cool.
The jack.
Yeah. But it won't. Okay. Let's see. I'm getting lazy, guys. Let me sit my ass down for a minute. Golly, I just messed up my. Did you see that?
Oh, man, you put a
Look
hole
at that.
in it.
I just put a hole in this thing. Anyway, it's going bad anyway. I've had it for 1,000 years. No need for me to mess it up though. Huh.
That's correct.
Cool. Oh well. Let's see what happens.
Oh, Lord, it's open. It's shaking.
Just checking the stability of it. Because if I break this part right here, that costs. I should have taken it off. If I break it any kind of way, look what the way is going on here. That is not right there. Wow. I don't know what happened here. You can see, you probably can't see. You can't see in there, can you? No. Okay, let's see where we at. It's practically all the way up there, huh? Practically all the way up there. You're kind of risky. Let's see how much more further it will go. getting on up there, huh?
Mhm.
That's a nice jack stand. Yeah, that's good. I don't have to do none of that other stuff. All I gotta do is take that thing there off. It's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Yeah. Maybe you should see how, with it up that high, if the table standing upright would be not such a far transfer as opposed to tilted like that.
You want me to see how much more higher it'll go.
Stand the table on its legs and see how far it is from the height of the table right now. Like if you do have to do any, just
I know what you mean. Well, I've already scheduled that. It's gonna be this high.
okay.
So
Now-
that's like way up here.
Okay, now considering you've already lifted it once
Yeah.
to about that same height, would you be able to do it again if the table was on all fours?
I mean, lift it up,
Yes.
muscle it up.
Yes.
I would prefer not to muscle it up,
Oh. Okay. I'll just check.
but I might see if how much more further this would go.
Go. Right.
If I weren't so scared that something was going to fall. I got some
Oh, yeah, that's
chains
true.
that I could put on it. I don't think it's going to fall.
Well, yeah, you don't want to risk that going up.
I'm gonna take it on up. I could put some items on it to help it, help stabilize it to keep it from falling. But it is quite centered. So let me see. Let me go ahead and give the guy go. Give the guy go.
You need me
See,
to hold on
I
to
just
it?
don't. Huh?
You need me to hold Maybe I think that's it.
Okay, so that's as far as it'll go.
As far as it goes. Yeah.
All right. So with that, my next move would be to go ahead and muster it up and slide it on. You know, just push it up and then slide the son of a bitch on. So that's my next move.
So my question is, when you slide it up there and supposedly push it all the way over to that side, like on the lifted part of the table,
Yeah. How am I gonna
and
keep it from sliding down?
how are you going to keep it from sliding down with it being as heavy as it is?
I am going to, I haven't thought of it, but since you have brought it up, I see that the distance between here and here may be helpful. I can put the jack under here and jack it up. And then pull the legs out. Or, anyway, I got it. I got it. Next thing to do is to take those screws out so I can slide it out. Yeah, man. Let me tell you, I got mad today. Very angry. As I was judging my anger, I was wondering, is it worth getting more angry about it? All right. Let's see. Yep. Whatever. This fits. Let's see. Nope. So I came to the conclusion. She's lucky that I didn't have anything to do tonight. Look.
Yeah.
Don't break your finger, boy. Okay, I got it.
Or anything else.
Okay. I'll be careful.
Thank you, dear. I don't think that's too much to ask.
I think this part is going to be stiff. It's gonna be. You know how they do it. You know. Do I need to eat something? Oh yeah, that's the delicious sandwich in there. But I'm gonna give that to them. There's some more fish in there. What about you?
I think I'm all right. I don't know. Excuse me. I think I might be all right for the night.
What if this thing fell on my like that? That'd be bad.
That would be unimaginable.
Yeah, that's bad. That'd be bad. So put yourself in a position to get hurt. Move out of the way if you can. Talking to you, Kenneth, not y'all.
Well, that's
Watch
good
it.
advice for anybody.
Yeah. Okay, so now that's off. I would like to put this back on because I've been lost it.
Are you unscrewing the
I'm
jack?
gonna leave that off. That's what I'm gonna do.
Are you unscrewing the jack while there's a transmission or something?
I'm unscrewing the. This is the little corner that goes on the stand.
Oh,
that
okay.
locks it into place to keep it from falling.
Okay.
But what I want to do is I want to pull this over to the stand and then slide the transmission on.
And you want me to come over there and unfold the legs while you hold on to the transmission for dear life? Is that what
Well, I'm
you're
gonna have the jack up under it, so it's not gonna be that bad.
Thinking if I need to.
Hey, don't be upset because we're gonna have to take it down the same way.
I was just making sure I need to say crazy.
You can do it. You can do it. I mean, you used to drive trucks, didn't you?
Drive them, not lift them.
This is a carefully planned maneuvering operation here. Need some precision. I guess you went. How come you don't move the closer?
I'm wondering. I'm not wondering
Oh,
that
it
yet.
stopped. Did it stop? No. I clicked it twice and the volume does. Okay, you want to see? Come look and see.
I saw the reflection of it.
Okay. And I'm like, what am I in the Twilight Zone? Okay, I'm gonna use my. See how that easy it is to move it like that. The next question is, should I put that? Where's that? I got a plank. I'm supposed to put it on top of it. Come on, lady, get some doctor's joke. Can't hear me. Okay.
No. I'm not supposed to lift anything heavier than
No, I didn't say pick it up. I said help me dock it.
help you back.
You know, get it close to the dock.
Move.
You see what it looks like.
You want to be in all the wrong places. You do not stand under a moving transmission.
Yeah, that's good so far. Let's go that way, son.
I need that way. Move.
All right, it's on there. Now the question is, I've got a piece of wood to lay it across because you can see there's not very much distance between that. Okay, maybe
I was looking to see if you could see
yeah,
what
maybe
you're
let me get the
doing.
camera so they can see what I'm talking about here.
Yeah, it's because it's
Yeah.
not much you can see as far as what you're
I'm gonna
describing.
plug from the television. I don't know how much power this thing got though. If I
You want to
disconnect
just
the
move
power.
the old tripod closer?
Uh,
Oh, the cord.
Maybe if I might take a chance and get an extension cord since I got so many of them. Let's pause this. I'm not pausing nothing. Get this done. Now, let me see, where is that piece of board? There it is over here. This board here. The plan was to get it on there at least. Then once it's on there, then get it on the board. What's the matter?
Where does the table come from?
That's the one I asked you, did you see?
Where?
Remember I went to the Home Depot and I said, wow, I said wood is very expensive. So I couldn't get wood, so I got a, what do you call it?
I did not know.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's cool, huh?
Yeah.
That's
Did not
a,
even realize this was over here in this corner.
yeah, that's a, what do you call it? A backboard. It's a backboard and I've got it on my stands. What you call it, stand? I've already had those. I've always had
Oh, the
those.
stand you already had.
Yeah,
the board.
I've always had those stands.
Oh, I
They
thought it was
fold
like
up,
one
but
big table. Or
That
something.
thing right there, I've never. I just got that big old board. I just got that.
Okay. Copy that.
Turn that down.
So now.
So
we're
yeah.
going to
So
attempt to slide.
yeah, let me see what happens if I do this. Now, Mr. Hound, you stay over there. There you go. How about that? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Still rolling. Now, that was the plan. That was the plan. So, I think this is just gonna work.
I hope so. Yeah, it's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
Yeah, it needs to work.
It's not gonna work, is it?
Yeah.
It's gonna slide.
Yes.
It's gonna.
The weight of this thing
It's gonna slide
is
off.
going to slide it down, and those legs on the bottom of this table, trying to put this up here, and then somebody hold the transmission so that this part can be lifted up, and the legs released from under.
Yes.
Yes. This is not the right answer. Like, who's gonna? It's you and I. We both, you know, we.
Some weak asses.
I'm trying not to say.
Okay. So, let me
My
see
concern
you-
is who's gonna hold the transmission.
so
That thing is heavy. It's going to slide against our will. You're not gonna be able to just. Okay, baby, I got it.
okay. What about if I put something in here to keep it from sliding?
To wrap around it. What do you mean?
Once I get it on there, and then slide it up a little to keep it from sliding down.
Well, what would you possibly use to stop it from sliding down?
I've got some tools that I can put in there.
To grip it.
Yeah, I got some. What do you call these things? I got this. That'll help. And another one somewhere. Sure I do. I got so many of these things. Isn't that something how they won't show up when you want it? Show up when they get ready. So I put this in here like that.
Hi.
Hey, that'll stop. Gotta stop it from going back. You guys ready to eat? Huh? Okay, well, they didn't say nothing, so. They were hungry, boy. They sure say it, ain't that right? They said, I'm hungry. What we got for dinner? Okay, let me see. I know I got another one somewhere. But where is it? Alright, let's still rolling.
Still rolling.
Still rolling. Here's the one. It's the exact one that I'm looking for. So, what do you think? That's still not gonna stop this from sliding. That's not gonna stop the transmission itself from sliding. Unless, that I can, but that's not gonna stop the transmission itself from sliding. Okay, well, let me see what I can do. There's always ways to work it out.
Unless
I'm gonna put the
you
feet up.
slide it up there. And once you slide it up there,
Yes,
these go there.
put those things behind it, yeah.
Or right here.
Yes. Exactly.
That might,
If it'll stay up there.
yes.
And once
Somebody
it's
has
up there,
to-
then I'll muscle it up on those two legs as a fulcrum while you do those two legs like that. But it had to be the transmission by itself.
Not the board.
Right.
Yes.
It had to be the transmission by itself. And I think it'll work. I think it'll work. Why is it that you won't lift it up any higher than that? Because I don't want to do that. I don't want to muscle that up. I don't want to do that.
Gotcha.
If I can do it like this, and let it be done. Now, I could do it,
Understandable.
but I don't want to do it.
Understandable.
That's what I did. That little bit I did there is going to kill me tonight. Just trying to be cool for the camera. So y'all can see who it is. It's me. Now, shall I do it or shall I not? I say do it. Yeah. So, here's the plan. It's a risky plan. I'm gonna twist it on there. And then as I twist it on there, I'm gonna twist it on up, up, and then you should be able to slide these in, right? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay then. Now the other question is, now this is the sequence that's going to happen. We're gonna put these somewhere where you can get them. And I think over here out of the way is best. And I'm gonna twist it on. And when I twist it on, you don't have these yet. We're gonna pull this son of it here back. I'm gonna say, okay, honey, pull it back. And if it falls, so be it.
Why
with the
pull it
wheels.
all the way back?
Hmm?
Why pull it all the way back?
So I can get in front of it.
Oh, gotcha. And then you're gonna shimmy it up.
Then I'm gonna shimmy it up.
Gotcha.
Then you're gonna take those things and you're gonna like that. Then after you do that, hopefully the transmission will stay in place without sliding down.
Oh.
Because if it slides and falls, that's it. I'm gonna let it go. Then just get out the way. I'm just gonna get out the way and let it fall. I'm not gonna try to catch it. Okay, you're gonna put it on the ones in the middle, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now I want to make it easy for you to pull this thing back, so I'm going to give you something to pull with, without having to bend over. Easy to pull. It's like you don't have to pull hard now, and let it run over your foot. Now, you're going to take this motherfucker like this, you way back here so you ain't got to worry about getting hurt. Ooh. Dizzy. Whew.
Okay.
Yeah, I always get these when I go down and come back up like that. Alright. So while you pulling back, move this out of your way. You may want to run or something. Help me or something. Maybe yourself trying to help me. In fact, this don't even belong. This belongs over there. Let's move it. I don't care. Come and roll in the mouth. Can you believe she want to take my car away from me? She want to take my car away, man. It's crazy. All right. Now, here's the sequence. What is this? I want you to have some room so you can move if you gotta go, boy. I want you to run.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. There's a saying right there.
Oh, I want
All right. Okay. So here's the sequence. I'm going to straddle this thing like this. I'm going to straddle this thing like this. And I'm going to start muscling it up.
go.
And when I say, okay, honey, you can take the transmission away. You can take the jack stand away. Move the jack stand. Try not to hit my legs.
That's what I'm looking at, like, what's going on in between. Okay.
Just move the jack stand and try not to hit my legs.
I will pull it straight back as best I can.
Yeah, it's gonna turn, but don't be scared. So when I say, okay, honey, move the jack stand, when you get the jack stand out the way, I'm still working my way up. Then you pick those two things up. Then you come in and stick it in. In these holes, guys. In these holes. Okay? It's just like her and these balls that she was talking about earlier. Okay, you ready? Let's go.
What? Hold on, man. Let me get the rope first. I didn't know you was going 1, 2, 3 so fast. Okay. Alright.
Ready? Stay. Stay. Go. Go and stay. You ready?
Yep. I'm ready.
1.
Oh. Why don't you pull your pants up a little because they don't catch. See them slouch in them. Yeah, yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I am. Get ready to start moving now. Don't move the jack yet.
Tell me when to move.
Okay, you can move the jack.
Okay, I'm pulling. Alright. I'm moving it slowly. Watch your ankle.
Go a little higher. See if you got another hole. See another hole close?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. What about that hole?
This hole right here, but you're in the way of the hole. Oh, okay.
Is it in?
That one's in. Shit. Okay. This one is in, but it's a little on the outside. The holes aren't even, but
Is it?
yes, they're
Is
in.
it on the 2 inside? There should be another one inside.
No, it's not on the inside,
Okay.
it's still on the, it's on the outside, no. The one inside is under the transmission.
And how about now?
I have to move your legs. There you go.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Okay, now
It looks
bring
like-
me up the transmission. Oh,
The what?
you not the transmission, but the what do you call it, the jack. Put the jack underneath. So don't hurt yourself. Don't use your feet. Use your feet.
It
Use your
was
feet.
trapped under the cord.
Okay.
Put it back under you.
Yes. Now, keep going, keep going. Okay, now, good. See this black part right here? See this
Yes.
black part right here? I want you to loosen up that. I didn't tell you this in the practice. But see that turning thing there?
This.
No, not the other one. The other thing that looked like a knob next to that black. Yeah, the other black.
This.
That. I'm hoping that you can turn that to the left.
Okay.
Okay, hold.
Oh, shit. No, you didn't say. How fast?
Okay, now turn it back to the right until it's tight.
It's tight.
Okay, now go and get that little pole over there
And jack it back up.
and jack it back. Is that going to be too much for you?
No.
Okay. I know this wasn't in the plan, but now
Yes.
the whole idea is to get it under that steel part. And if you need to push the jack forward, use your feet. Stop. Push it forward. Push it forward as far as it'll go. Is it forward all the way till it stops? Okay, good. Thanks.
Push it some more.
No,
Up.
no. Come back a little on the right.
Okay. Killing me.
Oh, that's good. Okay, now jack slowly.
Your legs in the way.
Okay, now push in. Oh boy.
He wants to roll to the.
I know, don't hurt yourself. We're gonna have to let it down some more. A little bit slow down. Just let the air out of it just a little bit, not much. Just like seep it out.
There we go.
Huh?
I did it. There.
Is it under the? You see that?
What do you want me to do
It's
now?
not straight. I'm gonna have you hold this transmission in a minute.
Oh, it's straight.
Okay, go ahead and jack it up slowly.
It's still
Okay,
under.
it's holding.
Uh,
Okay, push the jack. Okay, I should be able to handle it from there.
what are you doing?
I'm trying to push the jack under without having you to let it down
Shit,
anymore.
my back.
Because it's not under the part that I want it to be under. Thank you, honey. This should not go anywhere, right? Right?
I reckon.
I
I don't know.
haven't been holding it.
What should go with the jack?
The
or
jack, the
I
transmission.
thought you.
The transmission.
That's I don't know. That's physics that I don't know about with this transmission or how strong those things are. I don't know if they're
You can do it.
Eiffel Tower strong or or I don't know. That's not. What are you doing?
Readjusting the jack.
Lord have mercy. I don't know. I see the pressure on him. Well, I just see him lean back. That's all I see.
Pressure on the what?
On those bars or whatever they are, wrenches. Excuse me. See, that's where it bends down like that. That's not sturdy at all. Oh, it tightens up. Now with it being
Aha.
up here,
Um,
this, you don't think you can just, and I can go under there.
well, that's the thing about it. I don't want you to go under there. If I can lift it up with something else, I'm gonna do it.
That would be
Huh?
ideal.
Like that jack, like this jack. If I can lift this thing up with that jack, with this jack, and I should be able to do it. I just got to position the jack correctly.
How about sideways? Because the wheels might, or that front end might be pushing back some. Turning the jack sideways.
Turning the jack sideways.
Where you can put this side over this way.
I can do what now?
This side of the jack coming in sideways. Because you see all that red up there is, is making it to where you can't get snug underneath that thing. Turn it sideways. And I jack it from this side, or you jack it from this side, where I'm standing.
Oh. Let's think about this. All right. You can see the pressure.
Yes.
It's holding though. It's holding.
Yes.
All right. Time to call in the cavities. You stay away from around that damn thing now. Synthetic imagination. Synthetic imagination. I have an idea. I'm going to do another tool. Pete likes to talk. I can't talk like Pete. See. Pete. You said turn it sideways like this,
Oh, the jack, just,
so we can get closer because this red is in the way.
yes, it's only, then you go up so far,
Okay.
and it seems to be less of on this side.
I guess let's try it. It's a good idea. Now I got some height on it. Should I get this?
You think it's bolted down good enough?
No. I don't want to break nothing else. All right, here we go. Ooh.
You see it moving? Maybe pull it back here. Back some so it's more centered.
Okay.
I think you should pull the square plate back some so that the wood is centered on the plate.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay.
No. I have to do this way because I want to support it in the center. All right. Can you pump? Now, if you pump up, and if it goes up, and if it's high enough, then I should be able to muss it up long enough for you to put them things on. I wish that I can put this wood underneath this hubble.
Do
You see
those
what I'm
legs
saying?
move easily, or are they hard to pull out?
They're easy to pull out. Well, easy and hard is relevant. I think that's what they call it.
Relative.
Relative, yeah. All right, let me handle it then. I handle this. You go ahead and handle it, because
Yeah, you
if
can.
it falls, I'm gonna make it. It's gonna be a controlled fall. You get it. Okay, I'm ready for you. If it goes up, that was my fault.
Sure was.
The transmission. All right, let me go it another way. Let me
Why you
see.
say it was your fault?
Huh?
Why you say it was your fault? What made it?
Because I was guessing to myself that it may have been off. And you told me it was off. But I didn't think that it was going to be that tricky. Then I realized, oh, that's up on the edge. You don't want to have it like that. What does this come from? Is this sweat?
Some liquid.
Okay, baby.
Copy that. That's your mistake.
It'd be really cool if I can get right up underneath there. Like this. Got it. I got it now. I got it. I know exactly what I'm going to do. When I say I'm going to get another tool, I'm going to get another jack. I'm going to get another jack. Okay. I'm going to get the other jack. Remember I told you I was going to get another tool? You don't remember that.
I do.
Well, yeah.
Wait.
I am sweating because my memory's going bad. You go wait 3 days before you say everything.
I'm nodding.
I'm sweating. It's going to work. It's going to work.
You missed the call. Maybe it's her changing her mind. I said you missed the call. Maybe it's her changing her mind about picking up.
I'm not studying that far right now.
It just was the tone. The tune was in my head. So it made me think about it.
Okay, let me check it. You're very wise, so I better pay attention to what you say. You have won $1 million. Somebody called me from Memphis today. This ain't nobody. See? Scam.
Thought it was $1 million. Dang.
All right. So let me,
You mean to tell me you had another jack you could have used this whole time?
yes.
Why won't this one? Why you can't just put this under here and lift it up?
That's what I tried to do. It ain't tall enough.
Oh, you practiced that already.
No, it's like that one ain't tall enough. This one ain't tall enough. I can try it. But I did right now.
I
I
thought
put
the
it on this
problem with
side.
that one was the plate was flimsy.
I don't know. I'm thinking this up as I go. I'm thinking this up as I go. That's why I decided to film it.
You watch your head and your
by
body.
yourself, man. You know,
Lord have
you be
mercy.
by yourself. You have to do stuff by yourself. But you have to be smart about it. You can't be killing yourself. You mess around and kill yourself. For something that you can just fix it. It's right around here. Everything you need is right around here.
Now, don't you believe that that's gonna flick down because that plate doesn't seem to be strong enough, sturdy enough, I should say.
The plate?
Yes. When something's on the edge, it seems to plop down,
Yeah.
lean down. So I don't think that's gonna work.
Seems like it, doesn't it?
Seems like it does. That's the problem we're having with it.
Maybe I should put it more down on this end. Is that what you mean?
The plate, it flops down. That's the problem. Like when you put it under here, it wasn't sturdy. Because it seems like whatever is on it has to be centered, not just on the ledge of the plate.
Plate itself.
Yes, the plate is not. I don't know.
Well, I'm gonna see. That's what you call living on the edge a little bit.
Yeah, okay.
What? I didn't hear you. What's that?
I
Yeah,
said,
okay.
yeah, okay. Living on the edge.
Yeah, boy. Remember my dad, he told me, he said, you want to work around God, you got to have nerves. Alright, now let's do this one. After I rest. Whew. Think about it. Whew. I think this is going to be alright. Hopefully. If not, it's going to be a mess when it turns down on this right in here. All right, here we go. What if it slides off of there? And it slides, the whole damn thing starts sliding back this way.
I was just gonna watch a show. It'll go viral, I'm sure. Like the guy who dropped his steak off the grill.
Okay, let me stop that.
Oh,
Maybe these
honey,
things,
honey.